Hello children, let's start the next topic of the chapter acid base and acid base is an indicator. Chapter that is chapter 5. So children, here we have already studied about litmus solution and litmus paper. That is one of the you can say natural indicator as well as it is also a synthetic indicator, because actually it is obtained from nature, but after processing it becomes act as an indicator. So you can say it natural as well as synthetic, both is correct. Now we will going to study about the next natural indicator, that is turmeric. Okay, turmeric, that means haldi. So turmeric as an acid base indicator. So children, turmeric, the color of the turmeric you are knowing that it is yellow in color, and it is also used as an indicator for identifying acid or bases. Turmeric is yellow in neutral solution. It is also remains yellow in acidic solution also, but when it comes in contact with the basic solution it becomes red. Okay, and the children, the substance which are neither acidic nor basic, that are called neutral substances. A neutral substance does not change the color of any indicator. So the substance like distilled water, tap water or soft drink, these all are neutral. Salt solution, sugar solution, these all are neutral substances. That means they are neither acidic nor basic, and they does not change any color of any indicator. Okay, so now there is once more activity 3, and here is the list of the things. Okay, and we have to judge them on the basis of turmeric as an indicator. We have to put the turmeric paper in this given solution, and what will be the change we have to observe. You can do this activity at your home also. Make a turmeric paper as an indicator with your own. Just put a turmeric paste on the paper and it becomes your indicator. And now put this paper one by one in a given solution. What will be the color change? Tap water, as you know, tap water is neutral, so there will be no change. Distilled water, it is also a neutral solution, so after putting the turmeric paper, no change. Soft drink is also a neutral solution, again it will not show any change, no change. Vinegar, as you know, it is a type of acid, acidic acid, weak acid. So after putting the turmeric paper, yes, turmeric paper also not change in a acidic solution, so also you cannot see any change, no change. Now soap solution, children, soap solution is a basic solution. It is slippery in touch and soapy to slippery and soapy to touch and bitter in taste. So it is a basic solution, and it becomes, the turmeric paper becomes red in color when it comes in contact with basic solution. Amla juice, when it come in contact with amla juice, it becomes, amla juice is also a acidic solution and it also does not show any change. Ammonium hydroxide is a basic solution, so it also becomes red. Okay, the color of the turmeric paper becomes red when comes in contact with ammonium hydroxide. Curd is sour in taste and rough to touch, so it is more acidic. So when turmeric paper comes in contact with curd, no change will be there. Okay, now common salt solution is a neutral solution, so no change. Soda water becomes red because it is a basic solution. Baking soda solution also become red because it is a basic solution. Sugar solution, no change because it is a neutral solution. Glucose solution also no change because it is neutral solution. Dilute sulfuric acid, no change because it is a acidic solution and turmeric paper does not change its color. Lime water is a basic solution, lime water is a acidic solution, so again no change. Sour milk, no change because it is also a acidic solution. Sodium hydroxide, basic, so it becomes red in color. So here I have written all the observations for you. You can write here the solution of dash, dash and dash are acidic. Among these you can write any acidic solution name here. the solution name of base solution name here you have to write, and the neutral solution name here you have to write. Okay, so this is the observation based on turmeric as an indicator. Now comes to China rose as an acid base indicator. So in China rose, how to obtain China rose indicators? Children, China rose indicator, China rose, that is the adhul ka phool. Adhul ka phool, I think all you have seen, and that is called China rose. That adhul ka phool is the China rose, which is also act as an indicator, acid base indicator. China rose, that is gudhal, also can be said. Extract can also be used as an acid base indicator for identifying acid and base. China rose indicator in water is pink. Okay, when you make China rose indicator, it becomes pink. Its original color is pink, but if you give acid in China rose indicator, here it is the color of China rose indicator, but if you give acidic solution into that China rose indicator, it becomes magenta in color, dark pink, reddish pink in color. Okay, and if you give basic solution in China rose indicator, it becomes green in color. So now we observe through this activity. Comes to page number 66. First of all, we will study how to prepare China rose indicator. So method of preparing China rose indicator is: place petals of some China rose flower in a beaker, pour some water to it tightly with a glass rod. Decant the pink colored extract tube and label it. So children, first to take out the petals of the flower China rose, and after that, after taking the petals, you have to mix boiling water into it, or you can also boil the petals in water on a gas stove. After some time, you will get a pink solution. Now on that time, remove all the petals by filtration. Okay, and that pink solution, whatever you got, that is China rose indicator, and by using that China rose indicator, you can easily identify whether the given solution is acidic or basic. So here also once again these solutions are given, children. We have already studied the original color of China rose is pink, but whenever acid mixed to it, it becomes magenta in color, and when base is mixed to it, it becomes green in color. So here again we will write, one is done for you. Lemon juice is an acidic solution. When it mixed with China rose, it becomes magenta, dark pink. Tap water is a neutral, so no change here, no change. That means it remains pink. Okay, distilled water again remains pink, no change. Soft drink also China rose indicator remain pink, no change in color. Vinegar is a acid, so when it mixes with China rose, it becomes magenta, dark pink, reddish pink. Soap solution is a basic, it becomes green when mixed with China rose. Amla juice is acid, becomes magenta. Ammonium hydroxide is basic, it becomes green when mixed with China rose. Now one is here also done for you. Common salt solution, no change because it is a neutral solution. Soda water, that is a basic solution, and it becomes green when mixed with soda water. Baking soda solution also becomes green when mixed with China rose indicator. Solution is neutral solution, so here also no change, remains pink. Okay, that means no change. So here glucose solution, it is also neutral, and here also you can write no change. Dilute sulfuric acid, magenta when mixed with China rose indicator. Lime water becomes green. Sour milk becomes magenta, and sodium hydroxide, it becomes green because it is a base. Children, one correction you do in page number 65, that here lime water when mixed with turmeric paper, it becomes red in color because it is also a basic solution. Okay, so now here we have done our activity 4. We have written all the colors changes for China rose as an indicator. So you can write here any 3 acidic solution name, any three basic solution name, and any three neutral solution name. Among these you can write any three acidic, basic or neutral solution name. Now comes to synthetic acid base indicator. So children, natural indicators we have studied, that is turmeric paper, litmus and China rose indicator. Now let's start with synthetic indicator, acid base indicator, which are prepared by men in laboratories. Okay, and there are mainly two types of synthetic indicator, and they are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. So in many laboratory made compound can also be used for identifying acid or bases. They may be called synthetic acid base indicator or simply as synthetic indicators. Two most commonly used synthetic indicators are phenolphthalein, which original color is colorless, and when it is mixed with acid it also becomes colorless, but when it is mixed with basic solution it becomes pink in color. Methyl orange, which original color is orange, when mixed with acid becomes red, when mixed with base becomes yellow. So again, once again there is an activity 5. Here we have to write about these solution when mixed with phenolphthalein and methyl orange, what the color will change. 2 is done for you. Ammonium hydroxide, as you know that it is a basic solution, so when it mixed with phenolphthalein becomes pink in color, and methyl orange, yellow becomes orange turns into yellow. Dilute hydrochloric acid, acidic solution, so in phenolphthalein no change, and in methyl orange, orange to red color will change. Sodium hydroxide, it is a basic solution. So children, in basic solution again it phenolphthalein colorless, less to pink, and here orange to yellow. Common salt solution, as it is neutral solution, no color will be changed, no change. Here also no change because common salt solution is a neutral solution. Lime water, as it is a basic solution, so again colorless to pink, and here orange to yellow. Washing soda solution, same thing because it is also a basic solution, same thing. Lime juice is a acidic solution, children. Okay, so lime juice, here no change, acidic solution. Phenolphthalein when added in lime juice no change will be there, but methyl orange, from orange to red. Okay, distilled water, as it is neutral, so no change in both the synthetic indicator, no change in color, both the and sugar solution also neutral, so here also no change in color, no change in color. Soap solution is a basic solution, so here you can write colorless to pink, and here orange to yellow. So among these following you can write any three acidic solution name here, any three basic solution name, and any three neutral solution name here. Okay, so children, so I hope you better understand. Once again we can recapitulate what are the color changes. Let's first start with the litmus paper. So blue litmus paper is blue in color, solution is blue in color. It does not gives any change in basic solution, but it becomes red in acidic solution. Red litmus paper is red in color, solution is also red in color. It does not have any change in acidic solution but becomes blue in basic solution. Okay, now turmeric paper is yellow in color. It does not change in acidic solution but becomes red in basic solution. Now comes to China rose. China rose indicator is pink, light pink in color, but when it mixed with acidic solution it becomes magenta or dark pink, but when it mixed with basic solution it becomes green. Now comes to the synthetic indicator, that is the phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein itself is a colorless, but when it add with acidic solution, it remains colorless, no color will change, but when it mix with basic solution, it becomes pink in color. Now methyl orange is also a synthetic indicator, man-made indicator, which color is orange, and when it mixes with acidic solution, it becomes red, and when it's mixed with basic solution, it becomes yellow. So this is the summary of all types of natural and synthetic indicators. So here is the differentiation between acid and bases. This is given in your book, page number 68. You have to learn this, very important. This is very important, the difference of acid and bases. Now there is an oral question here. Let's start giving answer of this oral question. Name a naturally occurring indicator. So you can write here litmus or turmeric. You can also write here China rose. All are correct. Name a synthetic indicator. You can write here methyl orange or phenolphthalein. That is also correct. Write the original color of the China rose indicator. The original color is light pink. Okay. Name the source of red cabbage juice. Red cabbage juice source is red cabbage. Red cabbage, children, red cabbage is also a natural indicator. Okay, remember this. It is also a natural indicator. And now question number 5. What is the color of the following indicator in neutral, acidic or basic solution? So red litmus paper. So red litmus paper in neutral, no change, no color change. In acidic solution also